In today's digital age, the concept of teenage tutoring emerges as a remarkable opportunity for teens to leverage their proficiency in various subjects. This innovative approach not only provides them with a platform to share their enthusiasm and knowledge, but also opens up a flexible pathway to earn money. Unlike traditional part-time jobs, tutoring allows teenagers to schedule their work around their own academic and personal commitments, offering an unparalleled level of flexibility. By focusing on subjects they are passionate about, teen tutors not only reinforce their own understanding, but also inspire a love for learning in others. This initiative equips them with valuable skills such as communication, organization, and leadership, setting a foundation for their future professional endeavors. Identifying one's strengths is the cornerstone for any teenager keen on venturing into tutoring. This exploration process involves a deep dive into personal interests and capabilities, spanning academic subjects, musical talents, or prowess in computer programs. But recognition is just the first step. The real challenge lies in refining these skills to a teachable standard. This entails a commitment to continuous learning, seeking feedback, and engaging in regular practice. For teens, this journey not only polishes their expertise, but also builds confidence in their ability to instruct and inspire others. Ultimately, it's about transforming a personal passion into a valuable educational resource for others. Launching a tutoring business necessitates a well-thought-out plan, especially for teenagers stepping into the entrepreneurial world. A crucial decision is choosing between online and in-person sessions, each offering distinct advantages and logistical considerations. Online tutoring breaks geographical barriers and provides flexibility, whereas in-person sessions facilitate a more personal connection and hands-on assistance. Establishing a reliable payment method is equally important, with options ranging from digital payments to traditional cash, ensuring transactions are smooth and professional. Efficient schedule management, utilizing digital calendars and reminder apps, helps in juggling tutoring commitments with academic responsibilities, ensuring a balanced approach to both teaching and learning. In the competitive world of tutoring, effectively marketing oneself is paramount to attracting potential students. Utilizing social media platforms offers an expansive reach, enabling tutors to showcase their expertise and connect with a broader audience. Word of mouth, powered by positive testimonials and referrals from satisfied students, acts as a personal endorsement, enhancing credibility. Local advertising through flyers, community bulletin boards, and local online forums targets the immediate community, potentially capturing those who prefer in-person sessions. Integrating these strategies requires creativity and persistence, but promises a rewarding pathway to building a successful tutoring service that resonates with students and parents alike. At the heart of a successful tutoring service lies the ability to create engaging and valuable learning experiences. This involves employing innovative teaching methods that cater to individual student needs, thereby enhancing understanding and retention. Reacting constructively to feedback is crucial, as it helps tailor sessions to better suit learner preferences and address areas for improvement. Growth and scalability come from not just satisfying current students, but also garnering recommendations, a testament to the quality of tutoring provided. Additionally, expanding subject offerings opens new avenues for learning, attracting a wider student base and fostering a diverse educational environment. Ultimately, the goal is to nurture a love for learning, ensuring students and the tutoring service's mutual growth.